Hello all, this video is on Inshare files sharing application, which is a brilliant application and transfers all types of files in lightning speed. This is developed by Indian based INSHOT company Bangalore, and it is a best alternative to SHAREIT Chinese app. Go to Play Store and install Inshare. You can install it in any one of the device. If it is mobile to mobile, any one mobile can be installed with this app, and not necessary to install it on both the app. Open the application. There is send and receive buttons. We are interested in the connected to PC. Connect to PC. Click on that. There are two modes, hotspot mode and Wi-Fi mode. In hotspot mode, no internet is required. You click on hotspot mode. It will automatically start the hotspot of mobile, and it will give a hotspot name and password. Go to your PC and click on the Wi-Fi and select this hotspot name and connect to the hotspot using the password given in the mobile. That is started by the Inshare app. Now the PC is connected to hotspot, mobile's hotspot. If it is mobile to mobile, you can connect it from the another mobile to this hotspot. So mobile to mobile also possible, mobile to PC also possible. Now in the Inshare step 2, it will show a URL. Type this URL in the browser of your PC. Now the Inshare window will open with send and receive buttons. Now let us send some files from mobile. From mobile you will get the send button. Click on send and then select files. You can select any files. Let us select a huge video file. Now you can see that file is getting transferred and it is received in the PC. The file transfer rate is very high. It is almost 200 times faster than the Bluetooth. All types of files are supported. All applications, documents, video files, photographs, audio files, all formats of files are supported by this app, and the file transfer rate is also lightning speed. In the PC you can see the downloaded files under a download folder of your browser. The files are received under download folder of your browser. You can refresh the folder to see the files. Also you need to allow for the multiple file downloads in the browser so that all types of files are received in the download folder. Now let us see how to transfer files from PC to mobile. So it is both way application. You can transfer from mobile to PC or from PC to mobile. From PC, in the Inshare page, select the send button, click on send, and then select the file to transfer from PC. I am selecting an image. Now within seconds it reaches the mobile. The file is transferred in lightning speed. Now let us see the second mode, that is the Wi-Fi mode. First mode is hotspot mode without Wi-Fi. The second mode is Wi-Fi mode, where mobile and PC are both in the same network. So click on that Wi-Fi mode and click on open WLAN. Now the mobile is connected to the Wi-Fi and it will provide a URL. You can see the URL in the 192.168.1.3, that is in the same range of the router gateway. Now feed in this URL in the browser. Once the URL is given in the browser, you can see the Inshare page. Now you can click on the send button from mobile and select select some files. I am selecting a video file. It is transferred immediately to PC. Also the same way I can select from send button from PC and select wanted files and transfer to the mobile. In the Inshare app page, on the left hand side top, you can see an icon. You click on that to see the web share, where you can see the Wi-Fi mode and hotspot mode, and there is also purchase mode to remove ads and the settings to do the basic settings. Thank you for watching.